Here is proof that Jacob Zuma played the role in the killing of the workers in Marikana. Listen to this clip.
When people talk about Marikana, it looks as if these workers were just standing and the police just came and shot them. The workers were heavily armed, licking spears. They had already murdered 10, including two security and 2 police. Brutally.
You know, Cyril Ramaphosa has been shouldering the blame alone, the blame in terms of the killing of the workers in Marikana. And of course, he should be blamed. He played a major role in the killing of the workers in Marikana, those workers who worked for Lonmin in 2012, because he was the shareholder